Hi, Ryan Rice with Rice Properties Group. Welcome to our new fabulous listing here in Chantilly, 4804 Garden View Lane. 4 levels, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, built in 2019, a total package. Come on in, let's check it out. 9-foot ceilings on every level gives this home a spacious feeling. Check out this gourmet kitchen. Outfitted with soft close drawers, 42-inch maple cabinets, quartz countertops, and Bosch Energy Star rated stainless steel appliances, including a freestanding 5-burner gas range. Each bedroom and bathroom is modern, stylish, and updated. The owner suite features dual vanity sinks and a freestanding bath, a true modern oasis. And let's not forget your private rooftop terrace. Imagine spending warm summer evenings here, entertaining friends and family, or just soaking in the views of the sunset. Thank you so much for visiting our listing here at 4804 Garden View Lane. If we can serve you in any way, I'm always a phone call away.